I got in the mail. It's from YouTube. Let's open it. Dear Delia, we hope this email finds you well. We appreciate the effort and dedication you put into creating high quality content for your viewers. We are excited to inform you that in celebration of 10,000 subscribers, you're invited to the YouTube office. I feel like I should say this explicitly, but no, YouTube did not invite me to tour their headquarters. But seriously, thank you for 10,000 subs. I'm so grateful for each and every one of you, and your support means a lot to me. As a Google employee, I went to over 20 of the Google offices around the world. Subscribe for more of the offices. But the YouTube office was something special, and I'm not just saying that because I'm posting this to YouTube and because I want the algorithm to like me. It was unlike any of the other Google offices I've ever been to. So without further ado, here's an inside look at the place where all the cat videos and trending dance challenges are made. And thank you for 10,000 subscribers, YouTube. Thank you. Let's go. And thank you, YouTube, for making it possible for me to share this with 10,000 amazing people and hopefully more. So if you are one of those people, thank you so much for your support. And if you're not, consider subscribing. So I actually visited the YouTube office on my way to the airport because I found a life hack where I can get around San Francisco and Mountain View for free by taking Google buses everywhere. And the YouTube office is right next to the airport. So for some context, I went there to work for a few hours before I had to catch a flight back. It's super cool, actually. In Mountain View, they have Google buses that take you everywhere. You grab a bike to the bus stop, just scan your badge and hop on. I didn't get to see everything the office has to offer, but I saw a lot, and I will show you as much as I am allowed to. The YouTube office is known for having some unique and cool features that reflect the company's fun and creative culture. So some of these features include the nicest receptionist ever. They took videos of me on the spinny wheels things, which I asked where I can buy, and they told me I can apparently 3D print these for $1,000 somewhere. But I have yet to find where I can do that. So if anyone knows where I can 3D print some of these spinny top chairs, please let me know below. They also have multiple slides, but the most epic one is this slide right in the middle, a giant indoor slide that connects the different floors of the building. They also have a movie theater where employees can watch the latest screenings and events. Obviously, many games rooms throughout the offices, an arcade room, video games, pool table, ping pong, and a lot of green spaces and creative spaces. They also have so many cool collaborative spaces. There's a lot of different meeting rooms, like one of them is a ski chalet. I worked in a bunch of different themed meeting rooms throughout the day. And the best part is that the meeting rooms are all named by different memes. So all of these features are designed to foster a fun, creative, and collaborative work environment for the YouTube employees. As I made it through the open office space, I couldn't help but feel a little envious. The YouTube team has a fantastic setup with colorful decorations and a relaxed vibe. It's like they're living in the future, while the rest of us are stuck in the present at the Waterloo office. They also had a really cool virtual reality lab where my badge didn't have access, but I could tell it was really cool. There's also a graffiti-covered stairwell where everybody can just graffiti the whole thing. And every meeting room has a meme, and that's how you find the meeting rooms. So that's how you distinguish them. Imagine saying, "Let's meet in Dos Equis guy," or "fun, fun, fun." They had infographics all over the place, so that's why I had to blur a lot of the walls. I'm not sure if I'm allowed to show them, but it's super cool seeing that all over the place because they had some very interesting statistics. And honestly, I learned more from touring the walls of the YouTube office about YouTube than I did by watching YouTube videos, which is kind of funny. And who knew that cat videos and dance challenges all started in a place like this? Anyway, now we're off to the airport for the next adventure and building a tower of Google cheese snacks. See you in the next vlog where we're going to the biggest Google party in Europe, which happened in the summer in Germany. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your likes, your comments, and your endless support. Thank you so much, and see you in the next one.